There we go. You hear me, Judge?
I can hear you. You want to start with Arturo Ballesteros?
Yes, sir. Holy three.
Morning. Hey, I saw you were down at Concan.
No, you can pull it up right in front of you real quick, guys.
Judge.
What did you say?
Yeah, what are you doing, dude? Watch out. I need to get this nigga out. Alessio. Okay. Yeah, you man. Oh. You listen up. Yeah, I can do it. Yeah, that's the spells for testing. Listen up, move your fingers, you can touch them. Oh, you can see the bigger.
What?
Okay, just sit down, he's on the. You've seen it, I'm just supposed to. Nothing like every other whole person.
Hey, can y'all hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is your name, sir?
Arturo Ballesteros.
Okay, Mr. Ballesteros, I'm here to magistrate you on a warrant of theft of property under $100. I'm going to read your rights and I'm going to tell you what you're going to have to do to get out, okay?
Hey,
An affidavit charging you with this has been filed. You have the right to hire an attorney to have him or her represent you prior to and during any interview or questioning by a peace officer or attorneys representing the state. If you're too poor to afford an attorney, you have the right to request the appointment of an attorney. You may have reasonable time and opportunity to consult with your attorney if you desire. You have the right to remain silent. You're not required to make a statement, and any statement you make can and may be used against you in court. You have the right to stop an interview or questioning at any time. You have the right to have an examining trial. That's on felonies only. You have the right to be advised of procedures for requesting a court-appointed attorney. You will not qualify for a court-appointed attorney because this is punishable by fines only. And you're going to get out today with just your signature
yeah.
that you're going to promise to appear.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand your rights, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then once I finish magistrating, if you don't have nothing else, they'll be cutting you loose, okay?
Okay.
Good luck with this, sir.
All right.
Thanks, sir. Yeah. What you had in the
How you doing, Felix?
Roger,
How you doing?
you know me, Judge Herrera. I'm here to magistrate you on a charge of assault causing bodily injury family member. I'm going to read your rights. I'm going to tell you what you're going to have to do to get out, okay?
Yes, sir.
An affidavit charging you with this has been filed. You have the right to hire an attorney to have him or her represent you prior to and during any interview or questioning by a peace officer or attorneys representing the state. If you're too poor to afford an attorney, you have the right to request the appointment of an attorney. You may have reasonable time and opportunity to consult with your attorney if you desire. You have the right to remain silent. You're not required to make a statement. Any statement you make can and may be used against you in court. You have the right to stop an interview or questioning at any time. You have the right to have an examining trial. That's on felonies only. You have the right to be advised of procedures for requesting a court-appointed attorney. An application needs to be completed to determine if you qualify for a court-appointed attorney. A clerk will assist you in filling out an application. An affidavit needs to be signed. A affidavit is a written or printed declaration of a statement of facts made voluntarily and confirmed by oath before a person having authority to administer such oath. You must qualify for a court-appointed attorney. If you meet the indigent standards, you will qualify for a court-appointed attorney. You'll be given the name and the phone number of an attorney, and the court-appointed attorney should contact you within 24 hours. You understand your rights?
Sir.
I forgot to ask you, they did a suicidal assessment. Do you feel suicidal?
No, sir.
Okay.
But well, I wish you were done, Felix. I wish you were done. I was gonna ask you something.
Do what now?
I was gonna ask you something, but I'll wait till you're done.
Okay. What did you want to ask me?
Well, no, because like a month and a half ago, I fractured my femur. Right, like I fell off my bike and fractured my femur on my hip. And my aunt Yolanda works she's an RN at the hospital, right? And tomorrow I'm supposed to have an interview for the indigent insurance because they didn't take me to get a surgery done because I gotta have a plate and I'm gonna have to be in bed for like 8 months. And what do you call it? I'm supposed to have a thing for the indigent tomorrow. And like I mean, my girl, she told me she didn't want to press charges on me or anything because on the first the insurance picks up the insurance deal and like the people for the indigent they pick it up on the first of every month, right? And I'm supposed to have this interview so I can have this big surgery done because I was supposed to have a surgery and they didn't keep me at the hospital because I didn't have insurance. So I already got all the insurance thing filled out, right? And then like, I was gonna say too, like last night my girlfriend she didn't want to press charges on me, but they still brought me in, and then she just had bruises.
Because she called the police. That's why they brought you in. When they called the police on a family violence, whoever called it in,
Oh,
when they call
it was somebody passing by.
well, whoever called it in, when they go up there, they're gonna bring somebody in. They're not gonna leave you all there fighting, and then something happens. Then they're responsible because they didn't do nothing about it.
I mean,
Um,
on
on family violence, I don't do personal bonds, but I will reduce it down to a $6,000 bond. And you're gonna have bond conditions you're gonna have to sign when you get out.
well, I mean, I don't think I'm. I don't
Good
think
luck with this.
All right, Felix, hey man, have a good day, man.
1 3.
It's still just missing me, right?